Yes, welcome to Vision Plus and welcome back to this S.4 Mathematics. We are looking at integration and example 5 says evaluate the following integrals. Part A, that is the integral of x power 5 minus 3 x power 4 plus 2x dx. Simply, this means that we need to integrate this function with respect to x. This here gives us x power 5, which is the first term. When we integrate, we add 1 to the whole power of x, divide by the new power, which is 5 plus 1. We have integrated that term. Minus 3x power 4, we add 1 and then we divide by that new power 4 plus 1. And then plus 2 plus 2x. This x has a power 1. So 1 plus 1 out of the new power 1 plus 1. And then plus c, which is the constant of integration. And then we simplify. This gives us 5. Now the power is 5 plus 1 is 6 out of the new power 6 minus 3x power 5 out of the new power 5 plus 2. If you add 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So here we shall just have x squared plus c. And this is the answer. From here, the 2, which is the denominator, and the numerator divide to give us 1, which is the coefficient of x squared here. That is the solution to part B. To part A. Now for part B says integral of a half x power negative half minus 2 plus x cubed dx. So to integrate this, we go term at a time. So the first term is 1 out of 2 x power negative half. So what do we do by laws of integration? We add 1 to the whole power plus 1. And then we divide that term by the new power. But if you look here, there is a denominator already. So we shall say times that new denominator, which is the new power. So negative half plus 1 is positive half. So here we shall have a half, which is the sum of the new power. We have integrated that minus 2. 2 here is a constant. So if you integrate in constant, you simply add x. So there we have minus 2x. We have integrated it plus x power 3. So x power 3, you add 1 to the whole power, divide by the new power that results. Then we simplify. This here gives us what is 2 times half is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. So here we shall have x power half, because negative half plus 1 is a half, minus 2x, and then plus x power 4 out of 4 plus c. Please, we will add the constant of integration, which you can try out. That says we have integral of x squared minus 3x plus 8 dx. This means that integrate a given function with respect to x. So if we integrate x squared, we shall add 1 here, and then we divide by the new power, which is 2 plus 1. We have integrated that minus 3x. This x has a power of 1 plus 1 to get the new power, divide by 1 plus 1. And then plus 8. 8 is a constant. If we integrate the constant, we simply attach a variable x to it plus the constant of integration, which is the value that was depreciated to 0. We need to recover it to get the original function. This gives us the x cubed out of 3 minus 3 x squared out of 2 plus 8x plus c. Can we simplify it further? Not really. So this is the answer. And that is the solution to example 5. And we have come to the end of integrating without limits. What we have been doing here was integration without limits. Okay, all the numbers we have done from 1 to this question 5, integration without limits. So we shall now start looking at integration with limits. So what is the main takeaway summary of integration? The summary to integration of these simple curves or functions or expressions is that if you have integral of maybe a, okay, power, maybe a power b, let me say x. If you have x power a, let me say x power a, the x here, what we do here simply is we add 1 to the whole power of x. So we shall have here x a plus 1. That gives us the new power. Then we divide by a plus 1, which is the new power plus c. In words, we are saying add 1 to the whole power of x and divide the whole term by the new power of x. What is the new power of x? The new power of x is that number which you obtain after adding 1 to the old power of x. And the next thing is, if it is a constant, simply attach a variable to it. What is a variable? A variable is stated here. Integrate this with respect to x. Therefore, x is a variable. So that is the simple takeaway that we needed to know when we are integrating without limits. So in the next examples, we shall see how we can integrate with limits. And in that case, we shall be in position to find the real value of c. We shall be in position to recover numbers that were differentiated to 0. So this is the end of integration without limits.